Good morning, myself Dr. Ravina Kalyan, Faculty of Physiotherapy Department. Welcome to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. If you like the content of this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and share the content. So in this presentation, we'll talk about the bones, about its composition and its classification. So first is the skeleton. Skeleton includes bones and cartilages. It forms the main supporting framework of the body and is primarily designed for a more effective production of movement by the attached muscles. Next is the bone composition. Bone is a 1/3 connective tissue. It is impregnated with calcium salt, which constitute 2/3 part. The inorganic calcium salts, mainly calcium phosphate, partially calcium carbonate, and trace of other salts. It makes it rigid, which can afford resistance to compressive forces of weight bearing and impact forces of jumping. The organic connective tissue, that is collagen fibers, make it rough and resilient, that is flexible, which can afford resistance to tensile forces. In strength, bone is compared to iron and steel. Despite its hardness and high calcium content, bone is very much living tissue. It is highly vascular, that is having a great blood supply with a constant turnover of its calcium content. It shows characteristic pattern of growth. It is subjected to disease and heals after fracture. It has greater regenerative power than any other tissues of the body except blood. It can mold itself according to changes in stress and strain it bears, and it shows disuse, atrophy, and overuse hypertrophy. Next are the functions of bone. Bones give shape and support to the body. It resists any form of stress. It provides surface for the attachment of muscles, tendons, ligaments, and etc. It serves as levers for muscular actions. The skull, vertebral column, and the thoracic cage protect brain, spinal cord, and thoracic viscera respectively. Bone marrow manufactures blood cells. Bone stores 97% of the body calcium and phosphorus. Larger paranasal air sinus affect the timbre of the voice. Also, bone marrow contains reticuloendothelial cells, which are phagocytic in nature and take part in immune response of the body. Thank you.